Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make a rice salad with herbs and smoked mackerel. We need, I have got 2 pieces of mackerel, smoked mackerel, rice, broad beans and mixed herb which I prepared already is dill, coriander, parsley and mint, half a lime and 1 tablespoon of yogurt, any yogurt, and 1 clove of garlic. Let's cook. Pinch of salt to it. Put your fish in the skin side for just 4 minutes. I cooked the rice for 10 minutes, so rice is ready and we are going to prepare just the sauce. So for sauce we need 1 tablespoon of yogurt and add 1 clove of garlic. I add this and we need seasoning, pinch of salt, pepper and some lemon zest. We have fresh mint here. It's up to you. You can use fresh mint to your sauce or you can use dry mint, whatever you have got. I'm going to use fresh mint, so I just take the hard bit. Add it to it. So we are going to add our herb to our rice. And plus our beans. And then stir it. So this is our rice salad with fresh herb and broad beans with smoked mackerel with yogurt sauce. healthy food and quick to prepare. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Keep safe till next.